Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppal. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. In today's trading video we've got a couple of different trades to show you. We've got one daily trade and we've got one news trade, which is our fourth zone reversal strategy. So on these fourth zone reversal strategies, it's slightly different to our normal format. So I'm going to be taking you through this one and also on our major cap short-term trades, which you'll know if you've watched any of the other previous videos we've done. So in order to show you these, first I'm going to take you to our analysis page, which is where we provide our analysis every single day to our clients. This is technical analysis, fundamental analysis and trading opportunities. In addition to this, we also take clients through one-to-one mentoring on a weekly basis to ensure that they become independent and proficient at trading themselves as well, and not just always following Platinum's analysis. So we scroll down, we've then got our daily chart analysis. You've obviously got the fundamentals in the opening article there. Scrolling further down, you then have your short-term technical trading opportunities, your further methodology, and your individual currency pairs, sort of scrolling on further down there. So in regards to the trading floor, it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything that you'd need in terms of analysis to trading opportunities. In addition to this, what we then have is we have our Platinum algorithm. So this is where I'm going to take you to now. So the Platinum algorithm, which is just here, has got buy and sell zones on. Okay. So in these particular buy and sell zones, what we do is we label the zones that we would like to trade. Now, one thing that we always take into account is certain strategies we don't trade around news, and there's other strategies we have specialized for news. The major cap strategy is one that we don't necessarily trade around high volatile news events. Okay. The euro this morning, we can see that it's obviously come down quite sharply. Now this is a bit unexpected because the news events that came out this morning weren't necessarily, expected to be high volatile events. It's just that they came out much worse than expected. So it's still a trade that many of our traders took because it's not really under the list of news events that we necessarily stop trading around for this strategy. Normally it would be events like FOMC or non-farm payroll, those likes events that we wouldn't normally trade around. So this is actually a trade that many clients have already took profit from. It sort of came into play around 8:30, 9 o'clock, and it's already hit profit now. So would have hit profit around an hour ago. So it's a trade that went in and out, pretty much within an hour or so. You can see on Wednesday, this market went straight up. Now we wouldn't have traded this movement unless it hit a fourth zone. This is what I'm going to explain now on the Australian dollar. So I'm going to take you to the Aussie dollar. What we can see is that you've got a number of buy and sell zones set each day. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buy zones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sell zones. What we do when there's any high volatile news is that we trade a fourth zone reversal. So what that means is that when the market spikes, we're not expecting you to catch the spike because that's very difficult, especially as a retail trader when you don't have second-to-second news updates. But what we can do is we can try and catch a reversal. So on the fourth zone, you see sell zone 1, sell zone 2, sell zone 3, sell zone 4. So what that means is if you were there at the time of the event and it went into that sell zone 4, that could have been an area that you could have placed an order at. You could have placed an order there before the event based for a reversal. So normally a reversal you're only looking around 20-25 pips profit. You can see in the end obviously it's reversed well in excess of that. It's an interesting strategy and it's one that we do give to our clients to use using the algorithm. If they do choose to trade news, that is, you don't have to trade news. There's no obligatory obligation to trade the news there, but if you would like to, that is a way of doing it. So one thing is we would really like for anyone who's not a client, you can test this algorithm out with a trader on the phone. So we do that via a consultation. So if you go to our website platinumtradingacademy.com, click on the top right free consultation, you can actually get to test the algo. You can have a chat with one of the traders. They'll talk you through some of the mentoring content that we take you through. They'll show you the analysis page. So it's a really handy call to have and it's completely free. So I'd really recommend it. So just pop your details on the main page there and one of our account managers and traders will get in touch with you to book that in. So I just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. I do really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. Hopefully we'll speak to you next week. Thank you.